Hello everyone, I just want to share something. A couple of months ago, one of the spring was broken on this door. I suggested to the client that even though one is broken, but it is always recommended to replace both of the springs at the same time. But he said he just want to replace only broken one. So here we go. I am back again and within a couple of months to replace the other one. So it is good to get both springs replaced at the same time, because if one is broken, other one is not going to last long. I use best quality parts and give 5 years warranty in writing, so for any garage door repairs, give me a call at 647-470-1245. Thank you, and stay safe.